LG here for EV Journey. Today, we're going to be installing this bad boy. It's a carbon fiber spoiler with a red line across it, glossy, that I got from evbase.com. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take some alcohol and make sure everything's clean here where we're going to apply the adhesive. Next, let's do a test fitting and get it all measured up and centered into place. Go ahead and measure both ends. 4 3/4. Now that we have it centered, we'll go ahead and secure it with some tape. Next, take a marker and draw a line on each piece of tape. You'll be lining this line up later to get it right back into position. Now, being extra careful not to scratch the paint, we're going to take a razor or a knife and cut the tape right along there. Once you have them cut, you can gently remove it. All right, now that we've removed it, we can go ahead and get our 3M tape started right here. So just go ahead and peel off each of these edges here so you can have a little bit to start with. Then we'll go ahead and line this up right back where we ripped it off. Shouldn't be too hard to do if you did everything correctly. All right, now we make sure all these little lines are lined up perfectly. And then we're gonna go ahead and start peeling off this adhesive. There we go. Go ahead and get a little press down there. Keep on moving. I'm going to go ahead and peel the placeholder tape off. All right, now we're going to secure it with tape again in all the right places. So press down and make sure you secure this real tight. We'll leave this on as long as we can, overnight if possible. While the spoiler sets for a few hours, we'll go ahead and install the matching mirror caps that I also got from evbase.com. These are super simple to install. They just pop right on over your normal mirrors. Of course, we're gonna spray it down with a little alcohol first to clean off any contaminants. Like I said, this one's a super simple install. Just go ahead and peel off the adhesive backing here on all the strips, and you'll be able to just pop this right on. And it's that easy. I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of tape just to kind of make sure it stays down. And then I'll put one on the side for good measure here. And for the final piece, we have matching door handle covers, glossy carbon fiber with the red line, just like the mirror caps in the spoiler. These also just attach with adhesive. All right, so it's been 24 hours since we installed the carbon fiber accessories, and let's take a look at what we have. I think it turned out great. If you're interested in these or any accessories for your EV vehicle, head on over to evbase.com today. Enter the promo code LG to get yourself a discount. They're also running some great Black Friday deals right now. Enter the code LG31 at checkout, LG31 at checkout. That'll get you 31% off your entire order. And don't forget, if you're in the market for a new Tesla vehicle, you can enter my referral code. Check the description below. That will get you 3 months of full self-driving off Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. You can also get $1,000 off Cybertruck, Model X, and Model S. Once again, I'm LG for EV Journey. Thanks for watching.